Hello. Hi everyone. Good morning. As part of the today's session, I just want to explain you about how can we handle the data pickers. So guys, the reason why are we taking these many examples, I would have a covered just one or two examples and proceed further with all the concepts. But while you are working on an application, whenever you know how to handle different objects, that would be easy for you. And moreover, each and every object, when we were trying, it has a different mechanisms, and while learning, if we know these mechanisms, that would be easy for us to mitigate those things when we were working on a project. That's the main reason why I was just picking these many options and explaining for you. Perfect. So as part of this example, I just want to pick the date picker, and here the date is March 12th. I want to change it to March 13th, something. I just want to change it to March 13th. That's it. That's the only thing I want to do right now. Okay, let's go to the Xcode. Let us create a function. So here, the function that I'm going to create is maybe test example 24. Okay, test example 24. This is the function that I want to create. And I want to launch this app first. And after launching this app, again, as part of the first screen, I want to click on the static text, which is a date picker. See here, date picker. So the static text, date picker dot click tab. And now after that, I want to wait for few seconds. So here I want to identify these locators. Hence, I am adding a debug point, and let me try to run this particular newly created method, whatever we have created. Okay, what's the why? Okay, just 1 second. Let me delete this method. Okay, a function test example 31 throws. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, now I'm trying to execute this debug point. Okay, let's execute it so that a test action is already running. Replace it. Okay, something is executing, but again, I'm just killing that and I'm giving a priority for this. Okay, so it got stopped here. I would like to know what object it is so that I can easily perform a click operation on this particular one. So hence, the best thing that I want to do right now is, okay, Pivo XCUI application. Let us see right now. It printed the whole information, and majority of the things that are showing here as an other, all these things are other elements. That's what it is showing right now. Each and everything, it's considering as an other elements. If you scroll right now, so there is some static text, date and time picker, and the value is 11:11 a.m. Okay, so 11:11 March 11, let us see. So this is the one, 11:11 March 11. This is the thing that's talking about the date and the time picker. So if I scroll up and see whether I have any other information, see here, there is a date picker. Okay, label, there is a date picker is there. Okay, that's fine. But first of all, this is an other elements. In order to handle the other elements, I'm using directly the other elements here. Okay, the other elements. And what is the label that we have seen right now? If I scroll up here, the label that I have seen is date and a time picker. Copy this one, this label, date and time picker. And for these other elements, okay, dot other elements, whichever this date and time picker is there, perform the tap operation. So here guys, this particular chunk, this is not a text fields, search fields, buttons. This is not coming into that particular category. It's falling under other element, other. That's what it's clearly showing here, other. Hence I picked an other element. But for the other element, there is this label. Hence I am giving this label and I am asking my program to perform the tap operation. If you see right now, see it performed the tap operation on that. So this is the valid point. So copy this line, come back to the program, app.otherElements, perform this one. And after this one, I need to click on these dates. So here, what I'm gonna do right now means a PO XCUI application. Let us see here what we have. There are a bunch of others are there. Okay, here it's showing buttons. There are a multiple buttons are there. Okay, so here PO dot buttons. So I was just going with this particular buttons, hit enter. So these many buttons are there. Every button has a particular text here. See, basically, if you see right now, Wednesday, March 1st, this is one button that it's showing. March 5th, this is another button that's been showing up. So here, if you see this calendar, March 12th or 13th or 18th, up to 18, it was highlighted. So let us see that Thursday, March 16th is a button label. Okay, copy this label, clear it up, button which is having this label, perform a tap operation. That's it. I was just performing the tap operation. See here, the 16, this got a performed here. Again, copy this line and update it in the program. Perfect. This is what you have updated here. Maybe I just want to update it to a PM. Okay, so let me cross check whether this PM is there as part of these buttons or not. See, this PM is there as part of this particular button and it has a label too. So here button of a PM, and I want to perform a tap operation on that PM too. See here, the PM got us selected. So copy this line again and update your program. Perfect. This is the way how exactly we can execute this program. Okay, create this program. So let us run it so that we can see how this is gonna work also. So this sleep, whatever you have, I'm placing at the end and let me run it. See here while executing whether it is performing this date picker as per the scenario that we have created or not. 16 and a PM got us selected. That's it. Even if you want to change this time also, you need to perform the tap operation on it first and then you can use a type text. You can give it a try how exactly you can change the time. But this is the way how exactly you can handle this date picker, guys. Perfect. Done the deal. See you in the next session.